DMV evaluators make it impossible for Tesla driver to pass a driving test.
Did you read about this story?
No, I
It's kind of
didn't.
funny.
No, I didn't.
There's this one specific incident where this Tesla driver decided to go on a driving test using his Tesla, and he failed 3 times because of other Tesla features that the DMV didn't approve of or didn't really understand. So, for example, there was one here. Let me see. There was like a comfort mode or, chill mode that was activated, and they failed right away because it was activated. It's like, oh, okay. Well, let me try it again. And he failed another time because the car was slowing down, and it's because of the regenerative braking.
Yeah, the DMV examiner noted that she could feel the brakes even though the driver wasn't pushing them. The failure was due to the Model 3's automatic engage feature. Basically, the car's regenerative braking system was engaging, which was apparently against the evaluator's rules. Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
So essentially, they can't prove that you know all the restrictions of the road because they can't see your inputs.
Exactly.
How you would respond in a circumstance because your car is doing too much of the effort.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to have to borrow somebody's dumb car.
So that's what he did. He decided to rent a car that was like an hour away, and they failed him on the spot again because they didn't allow rented cars unless it's part of their DMV rental car space, which was like $40 more.
$140 just to have the car long enough to take the test. Or wow,
Yeah.
what a crazy story. So he ends up having to bring back his original rental, rent theirs, and take the test a 4th time or a 3rd time.
The 4th time.
The fourth time. And then he passes it with his dumb car. They may need to update their DMV stuff because we're only going to see more intelligent cars hit the road, and these autonomous features or whichever features they're referencing here are only going to become more common, and people are going to we're going to need to be evaluated on how we use them and our comfort level with them. That's actually an interesting thought.
Mm-hmm.